Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. Before we start today, I just wanted to give a big mahalo to all of you that have subscribed. When I hit 1,000 just a few weeks ago, I was so surprised and so blessed. I also really enjoy reading your comments that you're leaving as you share about your journey in learning the hula. So please continue to share my channel with others. I hope you have a friend that's dancing with you, and feel free to always leave a comment or a question below. Mahalo for tuning in. Until we see each other again, a hui ho and aloha. In today's video, we are going to learn part 3 of the Hawaiian Lullaby. We will be learning the chorus or the hui. Let's begin with the hands. With your last motion filled with song, I can smile, both wave out and into your smile. When it's raining, both at your right and flutter down. And touch the warmth of the sun, cross down, push out around in a circular motion and up to form the sun. I hear children laughing, left at your ear, right touch, and push out to show the sound, and reverse, right at ear, left touch, out showing sound. In this place, left at hip, right forward, wave and pull out to the side. That I love, both out at sides, wave and cross to embrace and hug yourself. Next, we'll start with the feet in slow motion. Your last kaholo was to the right. Now left, 2, 3, close your step and point your right foot. Kaholo, right, 2, 3, 4, and left, 2, 3, 4, right again, and left. Now you're going to huli and circle. Step right, step left, step right, step left, adjust, and ka'o 4 times. Right, left, right, and left. Now let's try the feet in regular time. Last kaholo was to the right. Now left, 2, 3, close and point. 2, 3, 4, kaholo, right and left. One more set each side, right and left. Now huli, step right, left, right, left, ka'o 4, right, left, right, left. Now let's put it together in slow motion first. I can smile when it's raining and touch the warmth of the sun. I hear children laughing in this place. That I love, embrace. 2, 3, and 4. Now we're ready to dance both hands and feet together in real time.
Filled with song, I can smile when it's raining and touch the warmth of the sun. I hear children laughing in this place that I love.
Now here's a bonus for you. Since you've worked so hard, let's dance this together from the beginning.
With life in the and starry nights. Where I live, there are rainbows and flowers full of colors and birds filled with song. I can smile when it's raining and touch the warmth of the sun. I hear children laughing in this place that I love.
Mahalo for doing the hula today with iHula Hawaii. If you've liked this video, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you like. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell for notifications. Until our next hula session, ahui ho!